So this is a very common question that I get with Instacart, and I love that they're coming in and that I can make a video about it. So for my Costco members, do I have to be a member to do an Instacart order? And the answer is no. If you are doing an Instacart order for a Costco customer, it's your customer that has to be the member. So how does that work? Well, first of all, every time I get a Costco order for Instacart, I bring my phone with me in the store, and before I even click to start my order or start shopping, rather, I tell the person at the store that's looking for that card right away that this is for an Instacart order, and I just show them it's an Instacart order. They let me pass. Now, where the work of your customer comes involved is when you get to the cashier. Now, first of all, do not go to self-checkout. Why? Because it's a lot more easier at Costco to have an attending help you. Go to the cashier and have the attending help you when it comes to this Costco setup. All you gotta do is you click Start Checkout. When you click Start Checkout, Instacart is then going to show you your customer's name and a barcode underneath. And what's that barcode? That's the customer's Costco membership card. That's the same as if I was to go to Costco and they scan my membership card, but instead they're going to scan that Costco barcode off your phone. Show them the barcode. They're going to scan it, you're going to click done, and then they're going to keep on scanning the items. From there, that's your proof of reference that your customer is a Costco member, and then at the end, all you got to do is do your standard checkout. So when it comes down to paying, they're either gonna ask on your Instacart Visa that you're gonna pay with the same PIN, and if you need the link to find out the same generic PIN, the link to that video that I made is up there. The other option that could take place with Instacart, which is their newer offer, but I still see the old one, is where they're gonna give you a new Instacart PIN every time at the checkout. If you need the video for that, that's gonna be up here as well. But basically, that's how you do it with Instacart. If you are not a Costco member, you do not need to be a Costco member. Your client does, and you're proving it to the cashier when you go to checkout, and this is how they are going to determine if your customer is a member of Costco or not. You just walk in and do the groceries in the same old at any other store. And I hope that helps you when it comes to getting these deliveries done at Costco for Instacart, and I'll catch you lovelies in the next video.